Most welcome friends on my channel Light of Asia. Eukaryotic Genome Organization Part 3. Let's we see the point number 6, pentose sugar. We will continue. Pentose sugar, a monosaccharide with 5 carbon atoms. The chemical formula of pentose sugar is H10O5. The arrangement of 5 carbons, 10 hydrogen and 5 oxygens, monosaccharide. You know about the mono? It is the use in nomenclature of hydrocarbons, aromatic compounds in the organic chemistry. Mono, di, tri, tetra. Other form of the meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, etc. Hept, oct non-dec. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decan. What is the 1, 2, 3? It means number of the carbons. Meth have 1 carbon and eth 2 carbon, prop 3 carbon, but 4 carbon and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 carbon chain. Under this, the pent, it means cover the pentose sugar. It means the pentose sugar made up by the 5 carbon. Tetra, pent, hex, oct. So let's continue. Classification of pentose sugar. They have 2 family of pentose sugar. Family number 1 is called ketoform pentose. When carbon double bond oxygen and 2 other bond, such type of functional group where you can say this is the keto form. And aldo form, aldopentose, it means CHO, functional group where available you can see the aldehyde group is known as aldoform pentose sugar form pentose sugar. Keto form pentose. Ketone functional group, that is double bond carbon, double bond oxygen. This is ketone functional group occupying on 2 or 3 carbon position. If just we are start the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon number 2 occupying the keto group. This group named whole structure is called ketoform pentose. Maximum number of carbons is 5 in pentose ring. So, aldoform pentose aldehyde functional group, single bond CHO. This is the aldehyde functional group occupying on one carbon position in pentose sugar ring. Just we are starting the counting. 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4 and carbon number 5. The carbon number 1 have aldehyde group. So if we are assume that this is the aldehyde group, but the total structure have a 5 carbons. Carbon aldehyde carbon is also they included. So by this functional group, whole structure have name aldoform pentose. How to nomenclature? Why you can say, you ask me, why counting start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Why not? Because I, U, P, A, C, the nomenclature start from functional group occupying lowest carbon number. According to this, the functional group occupying 4 number, according to this, carbon functional group occupying 2 number. So such counting number from here is wrong, while counting starting from here, this is the right, because this is the given lowest number to the functional group. Its full form have International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. This structure right or wrong? The structure more clear. Check the valency of carbons. According to valency, every carbon have 4 valency. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why 3 and 4? Because 2 hydrogen here. So this showing 2 bonding. Suppose that like this. This is the 3, this is the 4. If shown as, therefore valency is 4 of the carbon. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2 and 2, 4. It means it is the correct. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 2, 4. Therefore, this is the right. Next sub point 6 second. Structure of DNA pentose sugar. It means we study eukaryotic genome, so we will discuss DNA pentose sugar, the structure of DNA pentose sugar. Why? Because this structure is using in eukaryotic genome. It means eukaryotic genome contain the such ringed structure ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. So therefore, we study about the structure of DNA pentose sugar. Let's we deal. You can see clear the structure of ribose sugar and 2-deoxyribose ribose sugar. Counting start here. Carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both structure contains same number of the carbons. It is showing the structure where the difference between both, so therefore called ribose and therefore called deoxyribose. The carbon number 2 contain the OH group, alcohol group, and carbon number 2 contain the only H. It means remove the oxygen here. Therefore, it is called the ribose sugar, and the remove of the oxygen, such this form convert deoxyribose. Why use the 2 number? Because the oxygen removed from the carbon number 2, therefore called 2-deoxyribose sugar. If oxygen removed from here carbon number 3, so this is the called 3-deoxyribose, while removed from 2, so called 2-deoxyribose sugar. Why use the sugar? Because you know about the pentose sugar is saccharide, where the saccharide use, so this is changeable name is called sugar. Always pentose sugar, you can say, if you write only the ribose, so no problem. If you write the 2-deoxyribose, so no problem. But you include the sugar, is complete name, because it is the monosaccharide. You sustain on my channel.